Hey guys, I'm back to another video, and today in this video we'll be playing some Roblox. More like Bee Swarm. Let's join. Guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also subscribe to Random Boyz channel. Link in the description below. I got a bubble one, guys. I worked hard for 2 hours and 30 minutes straight with no break. It's so hard it's so hard. And also I got a new gifted. Also got this bee. Got a cooler bee. It's a gifted bee. You're probably wondering how to figure out if the bee is gifted or not. First you can check back. If it's golden, you know it's gifted. Or whenever you get a first gifted bee, it pops up in your screen that you got a gifted bee in rainbow colors. It just says that in rainbow colors. And I got all these stuff which makes me go higher and faster, and gives you more backpack space. So I actually need to complete Black Bear's quest, so let's go complete his quests. I can show you guys where the star jelly for you to get your own gifted bee, but you need 15 bees. If you have that, that's good. And you need 15 cadets. 15 cadet in this. You need 15 cadets. I obviously have more than 15 cadets. So you need 15 cadet badges to enter that area. If you can, you must know is the star jelly, and you also need ace badge to get another star jelly. If you know that area very well, if you don't know where the star jelly is, don't worry. The star jelly is just above the blinder. What's it called? I don't remember what it's called though. I almost have 100 moon charms. I have 58. What's it called again? It's called a blender. So guys, if you don't know where a star jelly is, it's also inside the ace one if you can enter. It's right straight. But if you can't enter, don't worry. One star jelly is right here. One star jelly is right here. So you can get that, but you need my boots and my helmet to get it. That I'm wearing. Not the BC helmet. The fan. The helmet that has fan. And you also need the brown boots. To jump on top of that. First you need to jump on top of that. And then use a parachute to glide till there. So I need a parachute, my hat that I'm wearing, and these boots, and there's a star jelly right there. But you need to open this area first. If you can't, I don't know how, but you might get a star jelly by beating Tanu Bear. You might get a star treat. And guys, there's one roll jelly above this pine tree. No! Don't tell me I'm stuck. Oof, I hate being stuck. As I was showing you, the roll jelly is just above the pine tree, and there's one right here. and there's one near Brown Bear. And you can also buy Royal Jelly by tickets. Exactly 6 tickets. I have 40 tickets. For some reason I have 635 treats. I'm not even using them. For some reason. Okay. There's one Royal Jelly right here. But then you need hiking boots to go up the area. Belt clock. Tell me what's a belt clock. Don't even know what's that. Alright, so if you're wondering how did I get these stuff, I got it. I got it in this area. There's hiking boots right there. There's a belt. There's that I'm wearing. I don't have it because I don't want it. It does 7% bomb, but then it's critical power. That's better. Movement speed. That's also better. I also have this one, colorless bee attack. Also there's bee attack if I want. And I have this hat, this belt, and this boots. You need those. You need those to get the star jelly. Showed you. And also there's also one more thing that even I didn't try out yet today, so I'm gonna quickly launch up. Go there, and guys, remember there's a Royal Jelly right there. And get in. Use this. I get 2 Royal Jellies because I have 2 gifted. And that's times 2 movement speed. Haste plus. So I actually need 5 gifted to create the brown amulet. So now let's just complete our black bear quest, which is the dandelion field. Collect 100,000 pollen from the dandelion field. Let's just get that real quick. Guys, I'm not fast forwarding it. Because whenever you use that raw jelly, you don't need club to use that raw jelly, guys. You don't. So whenever you use it, you get times 2 movement speed. And I go really fast by that. And I'm not actually using fast forward in this video. Okay, now normal. Okay. Guys, if you're wondering how did I get the silver ant amulet, silver ant amulet, you get it through there. You free the ant, then you go. So guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and go and check out my new